So this is the front door you've just come through. So let's just get your bearings first. Okay, I'm gonna take you on an adventure. So this is us heading to the assembly hall here. Okay, those doors with black windows, that's the assembly hall. That's the canteen area down here. But in this video, I'm going to take you downstairs to where your guidance teachers might be. So as we come down these stairs, this takes you to the main office. So if you were injured or anything like that, or you needed to hand a note in or something, then you would do that here at the office. Okay, but let's go down this corridor to the left of the lift, and let's go all the way down here. So that's the office door there on the right. This room here is the sick bay. That's the office kitchen, and there's some print rooms and some other things and some toilets. But in this little bit here, this is where the guidance staff hang out. That's the guidance base.